Here's today's crazy fact about animals. Let's go. Kangaroos cannot walk backwards. The kangaroo's sole is very large and shaped specifically for jumping. The tail is also heavy and long, serving as a balancing act. This makes smooth backward movement impossible because the legs and tail become obstacles when moving backward. Kangaroos have a habit of jumping when moving and cannot jump backward. This is also due to the structure of their legs and tail. Because of this characteristic, the kangaroo is depicted on Australia's national emblem as the animal that is always moving forward. This symbolizes positive progress. Koalas sleep 18 to 22 hours a day. The reason for this long sleep time lies in the staple food, eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves are low in nutritional value and contain additional toxins, which require a lot of energy for digestion and detoxification. This is why koalas sleep for long periods of time to reduce energy consumption. In addition, the koala's metabolic rate is very low, about half that of other mammals, and it has evolved to be able to survive on little nutrition. This characteristic enables koalas to spend most of their day sleeping in trees. Koala sleep is an important survival strategy and is an emblematic feature of their ecology. Wombat's poo is square. The intestine of the wombat has a special structure with alternating hard and soft parts. This difference between the hard and soft parts serves to form the feces into a cube in the intestine. The intestines of wombats are very long, about 10 meters, and they thoroughly absorb nutrients and water during the digestive process. During this process, the intestinal wall contracts and the feces dries out and takes on a shape. The last 17% of the intestine, in particular, completes the square shape. Wombats are adapted to dry environments and absorb as much moisture as possible from their food. As a result, the droppings are very dry and less likely to lose their shape. Wombats mark their territory by placing their droppings in prominent places, such as on rocks or logs. The square shape prevents droppings from rolling off. Droppings are also used as a signal to other wombats. It is believed that this effectively communicates their presence and territory. This unique feature makes it an interesting subject of research from both biological and engineering perspectives, with potential applications in new manufacturing technologies. Platypuses shed breast milk like Sweta. It does not mean that the sweat glands actually secrete breast milk. Since the platypus does not have nipples, breast milk seeps out through the skin of the abdomen and is fed to the baby. This feature may appear as sweat because the platypus has a unique method of feeding that differs from other mammals, and its milk is secreted directly from the skin. Sloths are good swimmers. Sloths are generally thought of as slow-moving, but in fact they are good swimmers. Can move about 3 times faster underwater than on land, can go about 5 meters per minute. Sloth habitats are often flooded during the rainy season and swimming is necessary to find a new home. They may also swim for food. Spectacled monkeys have eyes too big to move them. Spectacled macaques cannot move their eyes, but instead can freely move their necks, allowing them to see almost 360 degrees. This feature is very advantageous for nocturnal spectacled macaques. They need to see well in dark environments to prey on insects and small animals. Instead of being unable to move their eyes, they can effectively search for prey by turning their heads to widen their field of vision. Rats actually don't like cheese. Rats have a highly developed sense of smell and tend to dislike foods with strong odors. Cheese is not a very attractive food for rats due to its strong aromatic properties. 2015 experiment in England showed that rats prefer peanuts and grapes to cheese. Rats mainly prefer grains and fruits. Larger rodents may prefer animal protein, but cheese is still not a staple food. The image of rats as cheese lovers is considered an urban legend influenced by their portrayal in cartoons. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.